Hey Chuck, this is Melissa. I just wanted to shoot over this video for you to show you how you can increase your online presence a little bit. So going to your site, it looks really good. It's very professional. You have a call to action page right here. And oh, you even have a location page. That's really awesome, but you really don't have that much content on it, right? So when we look at how much content you have on your home page, it's 215 words. So you really want to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage for Google to be able to see all of those relevant keywords and really be able to find you. So if we Google floor install Orlando, right? So all of these pages that come at the top, these are all paid advertising. And then when we scroll down a little bit, these are all what's called the map pack. These are Google My Business pages. And really to get to the top of these, you need to have at least 25 Google reviews. And then when you go down, this is called your organic pages, right? And it looks like the first one is this one. Footprint floors. So when you go to this one, so they have 1756 words on their homepage. That's really where the area that you want to be in, and that's why they're on the top of the organic pages on Google. And all of these pictures that you see, those all count as keyword content as well, as long as you save them in the correct way. So you have to save them with relevant content, so that way Google can pick them up and it shows as relevant content to your page. So I use this paid software program called Ahrefs, right? So it can actually look at your page and analyze everything that's on your page and see where you are according to Google and see how well you're ranking and how much traffic is coming to your site, how many people you're actually getting, how much business you're getting through your actual website. So it looks like this is the organic traffic, right? So you're only getting one person coming to your site per month. And a lot of that has to do with your content and your referring domains and your backlinks and everything like that. And just so you know, backlinks are any other website or article or blog or anybody that's linking any traffic back to your website. So if you see another website that says, hey, Harrow Floors is a great website, and they put your link on there, people can click on it and they go back to your website. So that's what a backlink is. So if we go back and look at your competitor's website, so he has 520 referring domains, which is all of the websites that are backlinks that are sending people to his site. And you only have 11, so that makes a big deal as well. And you have one person coming to your site organically per month. He has 3,000. So if we bump up those keywords and get you a bunch more content on your homepage and all your location pages and grab you some backlinks and all of that good stuff, we could really get you ranking well and be up with your competitors. So, Chuck, I hope that this helped you out a little bit and it can give you some tips and tricks on ways that you can increase your business and get you some people, some traffic to your website all on your own. If you have any questions at all, just feel free to email me back with some feedback or give me a call with any questions you have. Have a great night.